Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how to add an email account to the Gmail app on Android. First, open the Gmail app from your app drawer or home screen. Then, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. After that, tap on Add Another Account from the drop-down menu. Now, you'll see different email provider options like Google, Outlook, Yahoo, and other. Select the type of email account you want to add. Furthermore, if you're adding a Gmail account, tap on Google and then sign in with your email and password. And then for other email providers like Outlook or Yahoo, tap on the respective option and enter your email address and password when prompted. Additionally, you may need to grant permissions for the Gmail app to access your email account. Just tap Allow to continue. After signing in, your new email account will be added to the Gmail app, and you can switch between multiple accounts easily. Now, to switch accounts, simply tap your profile picture again and select the account you want to view from the list. And that's it. Adding multiple email accounts to Gmail helps you manage all your emails in one place for better productivity and organization. Let me know in the comments if this helped you add your email accounts.